Instagram Direct Message lets you send private texts, photos, videos, and links. In this video, we'll show how to send Instagram DMs on both phone and PC. Part 1. Direct message on Instagram from phone. 3 ways. Way 1. Send a DM. Open Instagram and tap the paper plane icon. Tap plus. Choose up to 15 users. Type your message and tap send. Or open a profile menu. Send message. Way 2. Send disappearing photos, videos. Open DM and choose a receiver. Tap the blue camera, take a photo, video. Tap send. It disappears after viewing. Way 3. Share a post. Open a post and tap the DM icon. Choose a receiver, add text, and send. Part 2. Send Instagram direct message on PC. 3 ways. Way 1. Use Instagram for Windows 10. Install the Instagram app on a Windows 10 PC to send and receive direct messages on desktop. Open the app and click the direct message icon. Way 2. Use BlueStacks. BlueStacks is a free Android emulator that lets you install Instagram on a PC and send messages like on an Android phone. Way 3. Use third-party software. Some third-party tools, such as Instagram DMs on desktop, allow you to manage Instagram messages on PC or Mac. Choose a reliable option carefully. Part 3. How to check direct messages on Instagram. Open Instagram and tap the direct message icon to view the conversation. For hidden messages, go to Inbox Message Requests to see messages from non-followers.